Saka. Saka. Mic check. Mic check. Okay. Mic check. Mic check. Okay.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ayan. We would also like to request na po yung mga nasa dulo. Meron pa pong upuan dito sa bandang harap because dito po. And we are also requesting everybody, very short program lang po ito. So we are inviting everyone. Dito po tayo. Medyo lapit po tayo dito. Ang una po makalalapit ay magkakaroon po ng share sa Robinsons. Ayan. Dito na po tayo, ayan. Siyempre, napakagandang hawan po dito. Hindi gaano kainit, ayan. At alam ko po, excited na rin tayo maglaro. But before we do that, no, we would like to welcome you first dito po sa inyong bagong tahanan, ang Robinsons Metro East. We would like to thank everyone and of course, the National Pickleball Federation for joining us this afternoon. Before we start, I would like to personally acknowledge our guests, syempre, ang ever supportive nating RLC Executive headed by our Senior Director for Marketing. A round of applause po muna for Sir Jess Zulueta. Ayan, and syempre, ang isa pang mag-aalaga sa atin habang nandito tayo sa Robinsons Metro East. Palakpakan din sa ating Mall Operations Manager, Sir Peter Balagtas. Ayan. Ngayon pa lang po, kaklosing nyo na itong dalawang to. Ay, maliit na bagay po. Okay, and of course, our partner and champion for Pickleball Sports, the Chairman of National Pickleball Federation, Sir Mike Johnson. A round of applause, please. Ladies and gentlemen, you may be wondering the reason behind our gathering today. Bukod po sa patubig ni Robinsons, na nakita kong pinamimigay na. Sana dito lang may tubig, pero mamaya na. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to the organizers of National Pickleball for granting us the opportunity to celebrate this wonderful sport. Robinsons Mall and National Pickleball enjoins to offer an engaging platform for all players of all ages to hone their skills and enjoy friendly competition. Nakita ko kanina sila, tuwan-tuwa habang nagkakaganon. So ako rin po, kami rin po ay turuan ninyo. No? In pickleball, people enjoy the game excitement while learning sportsmanship, teamwork, and strategy through spirited matches. We hope these lessons extend beyond the court, guiding players to face life challenges with resilience and, of course, grace. Nakita ko si Mami kanina, parang 18 years old lang, gumaganon-ganon siya kanina. Diba? Nakita ko at super enjoy, nakakatuwa. Before ko marami na po ang masyadong sinasabi, I would like to take this opportunity para naman officially i-welcome tayo ng ating Director for Marketing, Senior Director for Marketing. A round of applause naman para sa gwapong-gwapong si Sir Jess Zulueta.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Thank you so much for being here, opening this pickleball court with us. For the record, this is the first pickleball court of Robinsons Malls in Metro Manila, and you are doing us the honors for opening it up with us. Okay? I would like to extend my most heartfelt appreciation to the Federation and to all of you for being here with us this afternoon. I wanna play. Okay, so what's next? Thank you.
Short but very, short and simple, di ba? Straight to the point. I wanna play, sabi ni Sir Jess. And of course, at this moment, we all would like to call on the Chairman of National Pickleball Federation, syempre, to give us a very short message also, Mr. Mike Johnson. A round of applause, please.
Thank you. Very, very short. I also want to play pickleball.
Let's see, 6 years ago, 2 weeks ago, we had our 6th anniversary for the Philippine Pickleball Federation. We started playing in the street of Ortigas Center. We're still playing there today. They just started playing, or 15 minutes they start playing the street pickleball program. That's where the sport started in the Philippines. 2 blocks from the gallery. 2 blocks from the gallery. So we're very excited about Robinsons and their interest in the sport. This is a huge, beautiful pickleball facility just waiting to happen. So thank you very much for bringing us over here, getting started. We'll do everything we can to help. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Jess and Sir Mike. We are very much excited and we're looking forward to the many events and activities for us this 2024 and in the years. Syempre, Robinsons Metro East is always a home for all sports of all ages. Ayan. And now we would like to invite Sir Jess and Sir Mike for the photo op, or here in front, please. And photo op lang po in front, Sir Jess and Sir Mike. And ayan. And we also would like to invite, ayan, symbolical handshake. Ayan. And we would also invite, Sir Jess and Sir Mike, can you stay? So we would also like to invite all the participants Yes po, to come in front for a very, very quick photo ops. And also, the Robinsons. Sir Peter, can you join us lang po for the photo op? Yan. At pwede pa po sa baba. Ayan, at this moment po, symbolical tossing. Meron bang ganon? Sir Mike and Sir Jess. Ito po sa court natin. Ayan. At this moment po, to formally start our game, our season, Sir Mike, how do we call it? Like a season? We don't have a season. To formally start our strong partnership. Ayan, Sir Mike Johnson and Sir symbolical tossing. Ganun ba, Sir Mike? Kumukuha lang po ng bola si Sir Mike. Ayan po. Symbolical serve. Ayan. And to officially start our partnership with Robinsons Metro Wings and National Pickleball Federation, let us witness. Ayan. Symbolical service, sabi ni Sir. Ayan. Ayan, let's